Okay, so the studio's a hot mess, boxes everywhere, orders I still need to fulfill. I still need to make holiday candles because I'd like to have those done ahead of time and just have a few in stock. Oh, remember the jars that were broken from the last vlog? I just got the replacement sent, so now I just need to open up this box and make sure nothing is actually broken from in here. And of course, you know I'm going to keep the packing peanuts. I have some in the studio, then some upstairs in my other closet where I store the rest of them. So let's check this. Oh, and then I also finally got these restocked. All right, so these are my wax warmers that I sell with my wax tarts. This has been the most popular color. It's kind of like a grayish green. Not really green, kind of like, I guess it's kind of like a sage green, but anyway, this has been my top selling color. I have a brown one, just like this too, but I guess people like the really nice light color for their decor. So I need to update the website with that. I'm gonna check these jars now to make sure nothing is broken. Okay, these look good so far. So I love that even though I only had 6 broken jars, they sent me an entire box with 12, so I got 3 extra jars for free, so good. These are my mystery scents. I have a bucket full of sample fragrances, and usually when someone orders one of my mystery candles, I just pick one at random and that's what they get. And that's why it's called a mystery, because neither they or I know which fragrance they're gonna get. So we're gonna go with this one today. And I only offer my my mystery fragrances in the in my 11 ounce, because then my 11 ounces is the perfect amount for this 1 ounce fragrance oil. Okay, so I just washed my hands to make sure I don't have any leftover fragrance oil residue. While those are cooling to the right temperature, I'm gonna go ahead and pack this order right here. Kind of what my packaging looks like once it's wrapped up. I've been thinking about getting rid of the boxes because that could be one less expense that I'm saving. So then I wouldn't have to spend money on the boxes and the sticker, even though I really like the way it looks and I love it. I gave a poll to my customers and I asked how they prefer it, and they actually didn't mind. They were like, they're good with either way. So yeah, I don't know, maybe if I should do that. Maybe I can just offer boxes during the holidays and for gifts. But then if I have to give them for gifts, then that means I still have to buy it and keep it in stock, which defeats the purpose, right? What to do? Okay, so I have all of these tin cans that I've had curing for the past 2 days. It's a wholesale order for Greetable. I'm restocking my Mimosa Mandarin tin cans. I have the labels that just printed out here. So I'm gonna clean up the jars, put a lid on them, wrap them, obviously put labels on them. And then maybe, oh, I just got a restock of my thank you cards. I get these from Vistaprint. I love them. So I'm running low. This is about all I have left now. So I just wanted to kind of restock for the holidays. And then I have my muslin bags that I just got in. I need to stamp them with my logo. What else are we doing today? Oh, I may or may not get started on some holiday. I have my fragrances selected already, but I'm just gonna pour a few and just kind of test it out here in the house and just kind of keep them here for me and just test it out. But I don't know if I want to do that. I'm feeling kind of lazy today, so let's just see what we can get through today. Hey guys, it's Judith here. Just wanted to jump on real quick and say thank you so much for watching. If you're liking this video, please consider subscribing to the channel so I know that you like the content that I'm putting out. Some of the footage that you just saw today has been recorded over the past few days or actually weeks, but I didn't want to just scrap it and throw out the footage because hey, I spent time and invested time in recording this and trying to edit, so I figured why not just put it out there and let you guys see what goes on behind the scenes of the candle company. So I hope you're really enjoying it, and thanks again. Bye.